lawyers for Assin North MP James Kwesen have raised concerns about the perceived unfairness and arbitrary conduct of the High Court judge overseeing his criminal trial. The MP Kwesen is currently facing charges of alleged perjury and forgery, despite the MP's absence due to a critical health emergency that necessitated his travel to Canada. His lawyers argued the High Court judge has been unjust in ordering the continuation of the trial. They contend that the court's insistence on proceedings with the case, despite the MP's unavailability, is in disregard of the challenges posed by his health condition. But the court says that Assin North legislator was offered all avenues to participate in the court proceedings virtually. Richard Kwejonya of our Legal Affairs Desk was in court and has more.
In a long winding rope today in court, James Kwesen, the Assin North Member of Parliament, was expected to be in court, but his lawyers indicated that he was undergoing some medical examination and has been flown out of the country to Canada, and so that is where he is receiving some treatment. But the court said that no reasonable excuse has been proffered. In fact, they also provided a link for Mr. Kwesen to join virtually, but Mr. Kwesen refused to join today's proceedings. Lawyer for James Kwesen, Chachikata, indicated that the judge was exhibiting symptoms of arbitrariness. The judge has been unfair, but the judge indicated that they have given all avenues for the proceedings to go on, and thus ordered Mr. Chachikata to go ahead to cross-examine the prosecution witness.
Today is a very sad day for us as Ghanaians and of course the legal system of Ghana. You have a judge insisting, despite clear evidence of medical report showing that the person is undergoing a test, medical test, and then the judge insists that despite that, I would disregard that and insist that you go ahead with the case without him. Even though we went ahead because we didn't want to disrespect the court, but the unfairness to insist on such an important case. We are doing cross-examination, and you said that you accept the process today, go ahead. And that is the side of it, especially when there is evidence of medical condition. We don't necessarily say that the person, maybe he is sick on the wheelchair before you say he is sick. All of us walking here, do we know what is with us here? But what we want to place on record is that the cause had been unfair today. We have not been dealt with and given the right to exercise our legal rights as it's supposed to be. Because today you even saw that arrangement has been made for the accused person to be in court. How can you serve? The question is, by the legal practice, how can you serve a process on somebody today in the courtroom and insist that you must go on?
Deputy Attorney General Alfred Chayabwa, who led the state prosecutors, indicated that they are in for whatever the court will say. In fact, they say that it is some kind of delay tactics that lawyers for Mr. James Kwesen are playing. They indicated that the prosecution witness has been in the dock for more than a year.
They knew about the hearing, and that's the reason why they're even in court today. You also in court, the judge said that the last time that we came and we met the judge in chambers, they said he was undergoing a medical test. It's different from saying that he was undergoing a medical, something relating to his health. Medical test. We agreed. We took an adjournment. We've been in court today, and what's the story? That he's now, I'll not say seriously, but he's sick. But we are not told. There's no evidence to that effect. The court then said we have to go on with the matter because our witness had been in the box since July 2022. 1 year, 5 months or 4 months. One witness in the witness box for 1 year, 4 months. And we think that we should still countenance such a practice. No. If they want to take it up on appeal, as you said, maybe they think that we are ready for them. As I said, we come to court to speak and talk law and nothing else. If they take any legal point, we'll be ready to confront them head on.
The case has been adjourned to the 15th of November. Reporting from the court complex, my name is Richard Kwejonya for JoyNews.